Guys, yeah, welcome back to this video. So today I'm going to show you how to change your country or your region on Temu Shopping App. You're not in Nigeria, you want to change it to another country, maybe Brazil. So let's get started. What you need to do is click on your Temu Shopping App. Once you click on it, the next thing you need to do is click on your U. And the next step is click on settings. And the next thing is you need to come here and you can see if you want to change your language, it's only English that is preferable on Temu Shopping App. So and the next thing is this is your country. Just click on country and region, and here you can change it to any language. And I believe now once you change it, once you change your country, let me show you. So Grace is going to automatically switch. You can switch to Finland. So I'm going to switch it. It's going to automatically change the language. So now change it for you. You can say, so now you're going to go to your settings and you're going to see the language here is not going to be English. The language has been changed. You can see it's very simple. You can see, so you can just click on show me, and this is it has changed. So now let's go back here. You can see it has changed. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.